Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. Woohoo! This was question 11 from section 4, the calculator permitted section of the PSAT that was administered on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2016. Pause the video. Sorry, that was my gargoyle voice. No, seriously, pause the video and take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good, because we're getting in there. It reads, if A and C are positive numbers, which of the following is equivalent to radical quantity A plus C cubed times radical A plus C? Damn, a lot of letters going on here. And I could do what I often do in this situation, which is choose my own values. But this one's actually pretty algebraically simple. As long as we keep in mind that this A plus C cubed really means A plus C times A plus C times A plus C. Okay, and all that has to be under the radical, times new radical A plus C. Well, when you're multiplying numbers that are both under the radical, they can share a radical and be friends. So really we end up with A plus C to the fourth, all under the radical. It can be helpful to keep in mind that the square root of something is just that thing raised to the 1/2 exponent. So I got A plus C to the fourth, all raised to the 1/2. In this case, you would multiply the exponents, so 4 times 1/2. So it'd be A plus C quantity squared. And then we go to the answer choices. Oh no, I don't see that. Don't we though? What happens if we multiply it out? We must be on the front page of my Pokemon card collection, because it's time for FOIL. First, A squared, plus outside AC, inside AC, last C squared. Combine those two ACs and we have A squared plus 2AC plus C squared. Oh, there you are. Hiding in answer choice C, I guess. Still got it. As I mentioned, you could totally choose positive numbers for A and C and just figure out what would the answer be and then check the answer choices. But I thought that algebraically we could do it with a small hop, skip, and a jump, and we wouldn't have to get out our calculators at all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, good for you. No, you could subscribe actually. Sorry, that inner gargoyle was coming back. Subscribe and then you can hear when we have a new video posting, which will be tomorrow, because it's a daily video practice. You can still subscribe. If you have any questions about this problem or any others, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. And if you're interested in buying a very old Blastoise card, no, I gave it away to my little cousin. Anyway, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.